Hello all, welcome back. In today's video, let's see how to create an organization in Azure DevOps, and we'll create a project in it. Now coming to Azure DevOps, this is the URL for accessing Azure DevOps for dev.azure.com. Actually, I have an Outlook account. If you don't have, just create one Outlook account, and then it will show like this. Continue. Now it will ask like name your Azure DevOps organization. So which name you want to give to your organization, you can give it over here. Where you want to host this project, you can give your name. And now here is a verification. So here XLSK. Continue. So now we have created successfully our organization as Scyther and Civilio IT. Here it is showing this is our organization. Coming to number of organizations, maximum we can create organizations. If we want to create more, we have to delete the previous ones and can continue. Create projects over here. So let's give some name to our project like now we can make public and private. So now click on this create project. It will create our Azure DevOps project. Well, once we created our project, our Azure DevOps homepage will be like this. In our Azure DevOps organization, we have created a project, and we have in boards, repos, pipelines, test plans, artifacts, and all. We can see our project settings over here. Like we can customize our project, or like we can delete, we can edit anything. We can see in our project, and we can give some description to our project. If we want to delete our project, we can delete over here. Coming back, we can overview, and now we can create new projects by simply coming back. And here in Scyther and Civilio IT, we have one project, and we can create so many projects by clicking on here new project, and we can create new organization over here. If we want to delete our organization, we have to come to organization settings over here, and we can scroll downwards, and we can here delete our organization. Like we can simply give our organization name, which is present here. We have Control V. This delete button will delete your organization. Okay, let's see more Azure DevOps project details and what are present in Azure DevOps project. Let's see them in our next videos. Thank you.